Mike, I'm very happy. You did a great job. I like this place. Guys, check this out. This is our Airbnb. It is so cool. So this is like the common area here. And then we come in, this is our room here. And it's got one bathroom. And 2 bathrooms. And then we've got this shared space in here for me and Mike. I've already got my chips and my beer. It's got all the setup here. And then it's got a couch and all that. And then this is my bedroom right here. Got my tennis stuff. It's got a little closet area here. But look at the cool decor. They did such a good job. And if you look, I've got my own private sitting area. Let me turn the light on for you guys. Look at this. It's got a little work area. So it's like a cool sitting area. And then, so it's kind of like a co-living area, which is neat. This is Mike's room right here. And then he has an awesome outside patio. Look at this. And there's a cool little bar right here. It's like a Mediterranean, no, the Mediterranean grill's over that way. There's a Mediterranean grill. So yeah, guys, so this is in Balbuena 35. Avenida Balbuena 35. Here in Guadalajara, Mexico, in between Avenida Mexico and Avenida Chapultepec. But this is cool. Mike actually booked this, and he did a great job. And what would you say, Mike, about 80 bucks a night for all this?
Nice, pretty good deal.
And everyone out here has been nice. Like, we met a cool Irish girl. There's another guy out here that seems very nice. So yeah, this is cool, guys. So definitely check them out. I'll put the listing in the description of the video.